Welcome back to Bike Hub. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting motorcycle releases of the decade, the all-new 2026 Honda XR350R. Honda has revived a legendary nameplate, and with it comes the perfect balance between off-road dominance and everyday usability. The XR series has always been about reliability, adventure, and lightweight performance. But the 2026 XR350R isn't just a throwback. It's a modern machine built with cutting-edge technology, rugged endurance, and rider-focused design. If you're a fan of dual-sport motorcycles, this bike is going to blow you away. A quick look at the XR legacy. Before we talk about the 2026 model, let's quickly rewind. The Honda XR lineup, introduced decades ago, was one of the most iconic dual-sport families. From the XR250 to the XR650, these bikes defined an era of simple, bulletproof off-road machines that could handle trails, dirt, and highways with ease. The XR350R originally made waves in the 1980s with its mix of lightweight chassis and reliable engine. Riders loved it because it could take a beating, whether you were in the desert, forest, or city. Fast forward to 2026, and Honda has reimagined that same spirit with modern upgrades. Engine and performance. At the heart of the new Honda XR350R is a 349cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. Honda designed it to strike the perfect balance between low-end torque for trails and high-end power for highways. The engine produces around 35 horsepower and 29 Nm of torque, making it powerful enough for off-road climbs while still smooth for urban commutes. Fuel injection ensures crisp throttle response, while the updated ECU improves fuel economy and ride adaptability. Honda also introduced a dual riding mode system, trail mode for off-road conditions and street mode for smoother surfaces. This flexibility makes the XR350R a true dual-sport champion. Transmission and gearbox. Mated to the engine is a 6-speed manual gearbox. Riders now have a wider gear spread, giving more control whether crawling over rocks or cruising on the freeway. Honda has also fine-tuned the clutch to be lighter, which makes long rides less tiring, especially for newer riders. Suspension and off-road capabilities. Honda didn't hold back when it came to suspension. The 2026 XR350R features 43mm USD front forks with 11 inches of travel. Pro-Link rear suspension with preload and rebound adjustability. This setup provides incredible control on uneven terrain, keeping the bike stable while reducing rider fatigue. Whether you're hitting dirt jumps, rocky trails, or sandy paths, the XR350R's suspension is built for punishment. Add in a 10.8-inch ground clearance, and you've got a bike that can conquer obstacles most street bikes wouldn't dare to attempt. Braking system. Stopping power comes from dual-piston front disc brakes and a single-piston rear disc. Honda equipped the bike with switchable ABS, meaning you can turn it off for off-road riding where wheel lock is sometimes necessary. This makes the XR350R versatile for both safety on city roads and control on dirt tracks. Design and styling. The design of the 2026 Honda XR350R pays homage to its roots while embracing modern aesthetics. You'll notice a slim fuel tank for better rider movement, aggressive front fender and headlight design with LED lighting, minimalist but durable bodywork built to withstand scratches and falls, a long, flat seat perfect for shifting weight during off-road riding. Honda offers the XR350R in 3 bold color schemes: Red Rally, Black Stealth, and White Desert. The look is rugged, aggressive, and unmistakably XR. Comfort and ergonomics. Even though it's built for trails, Honda made sure the XR350R is comfortable for daily use. The seat height is 34.6 inches, giving enough clearance for off-road but still manageable for most riders. The handlebars are wide and positioned for an upright, commanding stance. The lightweight frame, just 147 kilograms dry weight, makes it incredibly nimble. Pair that with a large 13-liter fuel tank, and you have a motorcycle that's ready for long adventures without constant refueling. Technology and features. Honda packed this bike with modern features while keeping it simple enough for rugged use. Highlights include full digital LCD instrument cluster with gear indicator, tachometer, and fuel gauge. USB-C charging port for navigation devices or smartphones. LED headlight and taillight for better visibility. Switchable ABS and dual riding modes. This smart mix of tech makes the XR350R advanced yet practical. Handling and ride experience. On the road, the XR350R feels light, agile, and responsive. Its narrow frame and low center of gravity make cornering natural, whether on dirt trails or city streets. Off-road, the suspension absorbs shocks beautifully, and the engine delivers smooth, controllable power. Unlike heavier adventure bikes, the XR350R doesn't overwhelm riders. It's a bike that both beginners and experienced riders can enjoy. Safety features. Safety hasn't been overlooked. Along with ABS, Honda integrated durable crash protection around the engine, bright hazard and indicator system for city riding, optional handguards to protect riders in rough terrains. This makes the XR350R both adventure-ready and commuter-friendly. Competitors and MAR position. Tion. The 2026 Honda XR350R faces tough competition from bikes like Yamaha WR250R, KTM 390 Adventure, Kawasaki KLX 300. But where it shines is its blend of reliability, affordability, and Honda's legendary build quality. It doesn't aim to be the most powerful or flashy, instead, it delivers a balanced dual-sport package that appeals to everyday riders. Price and availability. Honda has priced the XR350R competitively at around $6,499 USD. This makes it affordable compared to European dual sports while offering Honda's trusted reliability. The bike will be available in North America, Europe, and Asia starting mid-2026, with accessories like luggage racks, skid plates, and rally kits offered as add-ons. Who should buy the XR350R? This bike is perfect for beginner riders who want a manageable dual sport, adventure seekers looking for an affordable trail machine, daily commuters who want reliability and low maintenance, old-school XR fans who want nostalgia with modern upgrades. It's not meant to replace big adventure bikes like the Africa Twin, but rather to give riders a lighter, more versatile option. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda XR350R is more than just a motorcycle, it's the rebirth of a legend. It stays true to the XR family's heritage of rugged reliability while embracing modern performance and technology. For riders who want a bike that can handle dirt, highways, and everything in between, the XR350R is one of the most exciting releases of the year. Honda has done it again, delivering a machine that's simple, capable, and built for adventure. Outro. Thanks for watching Bike Hub. What do you think about the all-new Honda XR350R? Is it the dual sport you've been waiting for, or are you sticking with the bigger adventure bikes? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and news. Stay safe, ride hard, and see you in the next video.